6 hotel cleaning secrets that will transform your home. The million-dollar question every homeowner asks: how do hotels get everything so perfectly clean and fresh? I'm Marcus from Seniors Cleaning Hacks, and after talking to 3 top hotel housekeepers across the country, I discovered their best-kept secrets. These simple tricks will revolutionize how you clean your home, save your time, and give you that 5-star hotel feeling every single day. If you want your home to look and feel like a luxury hotel suite, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, because today's tips are absolute game changers. Introduction. Professional hotel cleaners work under serious time pressure. They need to make each room spotless, welcoming, and guest-ready in just 20 to 30 minutes. That kind of efficiency doesn't happen by accident. It comes from years of experience and proven techniques that actually work. I reached out to cleaning professionals who've mastered their craft in some of America's finest hotels. Their insider knowledge goes way beyond what you'll find in typical cleaning guides. These are real-world solutions that they trust enough to use in their own homes. Let me introduce you to our expert sources. Sofia Martinez, head of housekeeping at Ocean View Luxury Resort in San Diego, California. Patricia Williams, professional room cleaner specializing in premium hotels throughout the Chicago area with CleanMaster services. And Maria Santos, housekeeping supervisor at Metropolitan Grand Hotel in Manhattan. These professionals shared 6 essential daily practices that separate amateur cleaning from professional-grade results. Let's dive into each one.
Secret number 1. Master the art of perfect bed making. Nothing transforms a bedroom quite like a perfectly made bed. It instantly makes your space look organized, peaceful, and inviting. But there's a specific technique that separates a hastily made bed from that crisp hotel-quality appearance we all admire. The hospital corner technique Sofia Martinez swears by, both at work and at home. Creating sharp, clean corners on your bed sheets completely changes how your bedroom looks and feels. I use the hospital corner method everywhere. It's not just for show. Here's how to achieve those perfect corners. Start with the fitted sheet properly secured on all corners of your mattress. Lay your flat sheet across the bed, ensuring equal overhang on both sides. Focus on one corner at a time. Lift the edge of the sheet about 12 inches from the corner of the mattress. Create a triangle fold by bringing that lifted portion up and over the mattress. Tuck the hanging fabric under the mattress firmly. Fold the triangle back down and tuck it under as well. Repeat on all 4 corners. This technique keeps your sheets tight and wrinkle-free much longer than simply stuffing fabric under the mattress. Your bed will maintain that neat appearance throughout the week, meaning less work for you each morning. Additional bed-making tips. Always work from one side of the bed to the other for consistency. Smooth out wrinkles as you go rather than trying to fix them later. Keep extra pillowcases handy for quick refreshings without full sheet changes. Consider using a bed skirt to hide any imperfections around the base. The psychological benefits are real too. Starting your day with a perfectly made bed sets a positive tone, and ending your day by pulling back crisp, hotel-style linens feels incredibly luxurious.
Secret number 2, less is more with cleaning products. One of the biggest mistakes people make is thinking more cleaning products equal better results. Professional cleaners know this isn't true, and using too many chemicals can actually work against you. The minimal chemical approach. Sofia Martinez explains, people waste money and create unnecessary chemical buildup by using too much product. You really only need small amounts of the right cleaners properly diluted with water. Proper dilution guidelines. Use only 2 to 3 ounces of concentrated cleaner per application. Mix with warm water according to product instructions. Test diluted solutions on small, hidden areas first. Store diluted solutions in labeled spray bottles for convenience. Natural alternatives that actually work. For everyday cleaning, consider these hotel-tested natural solutions. Sparkling water and baking soda combo. Mix 1 cup of sparkling water with 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Perfect for pre-treating stains on fabrics and upholstery. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes before washing or blotting. It works exceptionally well on food stains, grease marks, and even blood. White vinegar solution. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water. Excellent for glass surfaces, mirrors, and removing soap scum. Add a few drops of essential oil to improve the scent. Never use it on natural stone surfaces like marble or granite. The pre-treatment strategy. Professional cleaners always pre-treat problem areas rather than scrubbing harder with harsh chemicals. Soak stained items for 10 to 15 minutes before washing. This gentle approach is more effective and preserves fabric integrity. Using fewer, properly diluted products also reduces your environmental impact and saves money in the long run. You'll breathe easier, too. Literally, fewer harsh chemicals mean better indoor air quality for your family.
Secret number 3, strategic cleaning order. High grime zones first. Hotels can't afford to waste time or miss important cleaning tasks. That's why professionals follow a specific order that tackles the most challenging areas first, while they have the most energy and focus. Priority zone strategy. Patricia Williams shares her systematic approach. I always start with bathroom areas because they require the most attention and effort. By handling these spaces first, I ensure they get proper care, and the rest of the cleaning feels easier by comparison. Bathroom deep clean sequence. Start with the toilet area, including behind and around the base where grime hides. Move to the shower or tub. Focus on corners where mildew develops. Clean the sink and faucet. Don't forget the area around the base. Address the floor last. Sweep or vacuum before mopping. Hidden grime locations to never skip. Behind toilet pedestals where dust and hair collect, shower door tracks that trap soap residue and mildew, exhaust fan covers that accumulate moisture and dust, light fixtures that show water spots and fingerprints, cabinet handles and towel bars touch with wet hands, kitchen high-priority areas, inside and around sink drains where food particles hide, stovetop and backsplash areas prone to grease splatter, cabinet fronts around handles where fingerprints accumulate, appliance surfaces, especially refrigerator handles and microwave doors, floor areas under appliances where crumbs and spills migrate. Time-saving pro tip, keep cleaning supplies for each major area in those locations. This eliminates time wasted gathering products and ensures you never skip cleaning because supplies aren't convenient. The strategic approach prevents you from getting tired and cutting corners on the areas that matter most for health and hygiene.
Secret number 4. Never overlook the small details. While deep cleaning major areas gets most of our attention, it's often the smallest details that make the biggest difference in how clean and polished your home appears. The fingerprint strategy. Patricia Williams emphasizes, guests notice fingerprints and smudges on frequently touched surfaces immediately. These small details can make a perfectly clean room look messy. Daily touchpoint cleaning list. Light switch plates. Use slightly damped microfiber cloth. Door handles and knobs throughout the house. Cabinet hardware in kitchen and bathrooms. Stair railings and banister surfaces. Remote controls and electronic device surfaces. Telephone handsets if you still use landlines. The lift and clean method. Don't just clean around objects, lift them up and clean underneath. Professional cleaners check these commonly missed spots. Living areas, under lamps, picture frames, and decorative items. Behind frequently moved furniture like dining chairs. Around and under electronic equipment. Base of plants and decorative containers. Bedroom spaces. Under bedside lamps and alarm clocks. Behind headboards where dust settles. Under jewelry boxes and personal items on dressers. Around and under clothing hampers. The baseboard game changer. Baseboards collect a surprising amount of dust, pet hair, and debris. They're at eye level when you're sitting, so dirty baseboards are more noticeable than you might think. Quick baseboard cleaning method. Vacuum first with brush attachment to remove loose debris. Wipe with damp cloth or use dryer sheets for anti-static properties. Pay extra attention to corners where dust bunnies hide. Use cotton swabs for detailed work around outlets and corners.
Monthly detail tasks. Clean ceiling fan blades. They distribute dust when running. Wipe down window sills and tracks. Clean out air vents and return air filters. Address scuff marks on walls and door frames. These small details require minimal time but create maximum visual impact. Guests and family members will notice your home feels exceptionally clean, even if they can't pinpoint exactly why.
Secret number 5. Eco-friendly alternatives using household items. Hotels are increasingly focused on sustainability, and smart cleaning professionals have discovered that common household items often work better than expensive specialized products. The pillowcase mirror trick. Maria Santos shares this surprising discovery. We started using old pillowcases to clean mirrors instead of throwing them away, and the results amazed everyone. The mirrors come out streak-free and crystal clear, better than any microfiber cloth we've tried. Why pillowcases work so well? Cotton fibers are fine enough to pick up residue without scratching. The fabric doesn't leave lint or streaks like paper towels. They're lint-free when slightly damp. Old pillowcases are perfect. They're already soft from washing. Other household items that excel at cleaning. Coffee filters for glass. Perfect for windows, mirrors, and glass surfaces. Never leave streaks or lint. Inexpensive and always available. Great for cleaning computer and TV screens. Dryer sheets for multiple uses. Excellent for baseboards. Anti-static properties repel dust. Remove soap scum from shower doors. Clean Venetian blinds quickly and effectively. Eliminate static from television and computer screens. Newspaper for windows. Traditional method that still works perfectly. No streaks when used with proper cleaning solution. Free or very inexpensive. Biodegradable alternative to paper towels. Repurposing for efficiency. Old towels. Cut into cleaning rags for heavy-duty jobs. Perfect for garage and basement cleaning tasks. Great for pet cleanup and outdoor furniture. Machine washable and reusable for years. Worn-out clothing. Cotton t-shirts make excellent dusting cloths. Socks work perfectly for cleaning blinds, slip over your hand. Old flannel shirts are ideal for polishing wood furniture. Denim pieces excel at scrubbing without scratching. This approach saves money, reduces waste, and often produces better results than commercial products designed for single purposes.
Secret number 6. Creative solutions for stubborn problems. Professional cleaners encounter challenging situations daily and develop ingenious solutions that you won't find in typical cleaning guides. The lint roller floor hack. Maria Santos discovered this technique by accident. After mopping bathroom floors, fine hair and lint would still be visible. Using a lint roller to go over the floor after mopping picks up everything the mop missed. When to use the lint roller method? After mopping any smooth floor surface, on area rugs that show pet hair after vacuuming, around pet feeding areas where fur accumulates, in bedrooms where hair naturally falls and spreads. The spray bottle wrinkle solution. Getting sheets and bedding perfectly smooth without an iron seems impossible, but there's a simple trick that works every time. Wrinkle release technique. Fill spray bottle with warm water, not hot, it cools too quickly. Lightly mist wrinkled areas, don't soak the fabric. Smooth with your hands immediately after spraying. Pull fabric taut and let air dry for 2 to 3 minutes. Repeat if necessary for stubborn wrinkles. This method works on freshly washed sheets and pillowcases, duvet covers that wrinkle during storage, curtains and drapes that develop creases, clothing that needs quick touch-ups. Advanced problem-solving techniques. Ice cube carpet dent removal. Place ice cubes on furniture dents in carpet. Let them melt completely. Fluff carpet fibers with your fingers or a fork. Vacuum when completely dry. Steam iron grout cleaning. Use steam setting, no water in the tank, to loosen grout grime. Follow immediately with scrub brush. Much more effective than scrubbing alone. Works especially well on bathroom tile. Bread for wall cleaning. Use fresh white bread to clean fingerprints and scuff marks from painted walls. Roll into a ball and dab gently. Works better than erasers and won't damage paint. Perfect for cleaning wallpaper too. These 6 professional secrets transform ordinary cleaning routines into efficient, effective systems that deliver exceptional results. Hotel cleaners have perfected these methods through years of experience and time pressure. Now you can benefit from their expertise in your own home. The key is consistency. Choose 2 to 3 of these techniques to implement first, master them, then gradually add the others. Remember, professional results come from professional methods, not just hard work. If these hotel cleaning secrets helped you see your home cleaning routine in a new way, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Which technique are you most excited to try? Have you discovered any clever cleaning tricks that work amazingly well? Don't forget to subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks for more professional tips that make housework easier and more effective. Hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest time-saving discoveries. And if this video helped you, please share it with friends and family who could use these game-changing cleaning secrets too. Until next time, keep your home sparkling with professional-grade techniques that really work.